Okay, I am so frustrated.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we are testing out some more influencer brands. If you've missed any of them, I will link them at the end of the video for you guys. I hate the name influencer. It's so cringy. Ugh. But there have been a ton of new influencer collabs and brands, so let's get into it. We're gonna actually start with the product that I put in my hair this morning.
Hello from this morning. Well, I put on my skincare. You can clearly I've showered. We're gonna talk about a collaboration between Mikayla and Briogeo. Mikayla, if you didn't know, is a super popular makeup artist on TikTok. I follow her. I think she's super funny and really genuine, and I love all her reviews. And so she partnered with Briogeo to bring back their hair mask. And I've never tried this one before. It's an apple honey deep conditioning hair mask, and this is supposed to repair and strengthen and make your hair softer within 2 uses. And it says by 8 times, so my thinking is that it's gonna make my hair 4 times healthier after 1 use, because math. So I've already washed my hair with shampoo, haven't done any conditioner, so I wanna smell this first. It's quite faint. It's mildly annoying to me when brands don't have, they have their cute packaging and they have to sacrifice, instructions on it. I don't want to look up instructions. Is it on here? Okay, it is. It's in this thing. I thought I read it as 10 minutes, but I just wanted to make sure. It doesn't say how much, but I assume, you kind of make it to the amount your hair needs, I guess. Let's see what the smell is. Woo! I like that. It's sweet, but not in an artificial sweet way. A little apple orchardy, and has a warmth in a honey way in the sense of the scent. Okay, massage it into my hair, and I'm just gonna go from here down. I don't want it near my roots. Sure, it's worked in. Beautiful. Be back in 10. All right, I rinsed it all out. My hair feels about the same so far, but I feel like it feels good. It's just I'm not whoa. But let me go blow dry my hair. And it looks good and it feels good. I don't know what it is, but I almost feel like a film on my hands. I swear I really rinsed it out very well. And my brush I had recently washed as of a day or 2 ago. Maybe I just didn't wash it as thoroughly as I thought. I don't know. My hands have a film on them. Hang on, let me wash them. Okay, hands are dry. My hair feels really soft for sure. I don't know. It just kind of feels a little filmy. Not a ton, just a little. So I guess I didn't wash it as thoroughly as I thought, because I can't imagine a world where that's the fault of the product. I don't know. It's just I swear I really rinsed it, because I know how my hair gets. So bizarre. Okay, well, if you have any ideas, let me know, because my hair looks really healthy and it feels very healthy. So overall, I would say it's a win, except for that one thing about the film in my hair. But anyway, I actually have another hair product that I want to try, and this actually came in a PR box that was super cute. If you follow me on Instagram, you know. Well, you know, you know. And I asked if you guys wanted to see some of the stuff in a video, and a lot of you guys said you wanted to see it. So I'm gonna try today Mindy's Deep Waver, because I watched the tutorial that she did using this product, and it's really cool. It's different than some of the other 3-barrel ones that we've seen in the last 2 years. This one has some intentional details to it that I thought were really interesting and very, true to their brand. So I wanted to give it a try. Also, there's a bunch of really cute little hair accessories that were just really adorable. So maybe we'll try some of those too. Look at this bag. Got scared there for a second. When you have napping babies in the house, you always get a little scared anytime anything almost drops. Okay, all right. So this is her little waver tool right here. And it's unique and it's a little different, because I guess the barrels and everything are all a little bit different in size. It's not uniform, so it's gonna look like a more natural, sort of that mermaidy kind of look. And I've tried those before, and I can never get the front sections to look good. So we're gonna try it, but then if it doesn't work, I'm using one of her clips to put my hair up. I also think I wanna try, let me know if you wanna see this in another video, the restart button. This is a scalp exfoliator, and it has this cool brush on the end, and it's supposed to just remove any sort of buildup on the scalp and make it all clean and fresh and volumized. How do I set the temperature? Does it just go to 280 automatically? For temperature settings. Where are the temperature settings? All I see is this flashing thing and then there's one button on the inside. Oh, solo button for temperature. I see. Okay, well I'm gonna do 320 then. Okay, so that's heated up now. And now seeing it, now I'm scared I'm gonna burn my hair. So I'm moving it back to 280. And we will section off my hair here. So when she did it for like the front pieces, she did it like forwards, which I've never done. I always did it like to the side. Ooh. Ah, so close to my skull. Is that it? Did I do it? That end looks a bit ridiculous. Nope, that's not it either. Attempt 1 isn't cute. Let me just keep messing into it until it looks great, because that'll be good, right? Honestly, I'm glad I did that. Do you see that? Wow, that's a lot better. Okay, well, I'm not gonna do the front one next. Now I'm scared. I'm doing okay at best. I don't think I'm lining it up really well. Okay, that's a little better. Let's try a piece on this side. Okay, let's look at the placement. See, that's what I can't figure out. Where do I place it? At least with the other one, it made it a little easier. I guess there. Oh my gosh, Mindy, you wanna come to my house, girl? Do this for me? I feel like I'm butchering this. Okay, I'm gonna keep attempting this. Hold, please. Okay, I am so frustrated. Some of them, like there's one right here. See this one? It's beautiful, stunning. I want all of them to look like that. But then I just keep doing this. And I feel like I did the exact same like technique. So the other thing I will note as well, because there is a bit of a pronounced like lip to either side, if I press down, I get like a dent. And I can't seem to figure, because it's such a deep wave, I can't see where to line up the next the next bump, and you can't really go over it, otherwise your hair, or at least my hair, is just like nope. So for my own mental health, I'm going to pause on that and maybe do a little bit more research. Otherwise, I just don't think that this product is meant for me. I cannot make it work. Can't make it work. I really want to though. And my hair is back to straight. I basically just wet it and then re-blow dried it. It's like one little like bit here, but I don't know how to fix it. Oh, I do like her little scrunchies though. Hang on. Here we go. Like, look at this like cute little headband. Obviously it slows the thing on. I think it's so pretty. I'm gonna use the little raw edge scrunchie to pull my hair back off my face, because the next thing we're gonna be testing out is a primer, and this one has a lot of hype behind it. So let's zoom in. So I have a primer here in a texture I never thought I would come across, and that is Jam. Yeah, Jam. This is the Glowish Blur Jam, which is a silicone-free smoothing primer, so it's not supposed to mess up your foundation or make it slide at all. And it's by Huda Beauty, so I figured we'd throw this one in because this looked very interesting and has a lot of really excellent reviews right out of the gate. And I figure the best way to test this product— dang it, Connor, he moved my eye cream. Sometimes he likes to take things to his Lego people because he uses them for cleaning. I don't know. 2-year-olds, am I right? Sure, I didn't miss it somewhere. Nope, it's that's full gone. Okay. Then I'll ask him to go find it, and then he goes off and he's really excited, and then he'll come back and he'll be like, and I'm like, you didn't find it. And he's like, what? Because 2-year-olds are kind of goldfish. Anyway, let's put this lovely jam to the test. Also, what does it smell like? This is the question. It's jam. Ooh, do I want to make a guess? I haven't looked yet. It's kind of red. I feel like strawberry would be too that doesn't feel like Huda. I don't think she would do that. If anything, it's gonna be something floral is my guess, or like a fresh scent, which isn't very jammy, I don't think. I would think maybe like raspberry or something, but maybe I'm being too literal with jam. Woo! It's scentless. That was one thing I was not expecting. Okay, look at this. It's such a weird consistency. Okay, I'm kind of excited. Let's just do a little quick check. Blur Jam. Weird things I type into my into Google. Google, find me the Blur Jam. So this is supposed to blur, mattify, hydrate the skin without exaggerating or clogging pores, and it's supposed to give dramatic results
without the use of heavy silicones. Okay, it says to scoop out a pea-size amount. They have a little spatula here, and then we press it into the skin. Press in short strokes. All right, here we go. What? Tell me you don't see, can you see, hold on. Like ignore my under eyes. Obviously that's very shiny from the cream, but do you see my pores? That's so interesting. And I'm using a tiny amount here. So what I want to do is I'm gonna apply the jam. I'm gonna apply the jam all over my face, and then I'm gonna do a Huda foundation on one side and then a regular foundation that I really like on the other. Because I want to know, obviously they've tested this primer with their own stuff. That just makes good sense. So I think that'll hold quite well. But I want to know what it looks like with some of the other foundations that I have and see if it plays nice. Like, does it actually help prevent the foundation from slipping and moving around? Wow, it is impressive just how like hydrating it feels. That's the best way I can describe it. It feels hydrating. Okay. All right, so this was a PR package and they sent a skin tint with it. So I'm assuming they are gonna work really well together. So I'm gonna do that on one side and then I'm gonna find a similar level of coverage for the other side. Whoa. Oh, that might work. Just for safe measure, let's see the other one. No, I think I'm shade 2. Fair light. So I'm going to do a couple pumps of that on the one side. Oh. Just realized I put that on a powder brush like an idiot. It's fine. This is more of like a light coverage. I did not need more than one pump for sure. You know what? That might have even been too dark. Oh well, we're in it now. All right. Well, that looked really pretty. And let's compare it to like a Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer, because that's gonna be very similar in terms of consistency. Use a fresh brush. And I honestly like the sort of stippling brush application. Is that weird? I'm just hoping that the shade match will be okay. Ooh, I don't like this brush as much. That one does not. It does not seem to like that, so I'm just gonna pat it in. So the only difference between these two is that the Laura Mercier one does not have as much radiance to it. So there is that, but I think I should be able to even this out with some bronzer. So let's do that quick. All right, so now which side do we like better? Do you guys have a preference? Let me know down below. I need to know. I think they look the same. So far, so good. We'll see how it wears throughout the day. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot. I'm just interrupting myself right now. I bought a whole bunch of stuff from the Aritzia Emma Chamberlain collab. So cue the footage. Emma Chamberlain recently collaborated with Aritzia and sort of created this collection of some of her favorites from their fall lineup, including but not limited to some really cute like outfits that she put together. And I thought it would be fun if we ordered one of the outfits and then tried it on. Also a couple other pieces that I couldn't help myself. I couldn't help myself. Okay, sue me. A lot of beige in here. Where's that other one? I actually made an order online and forgot one of the pieces. So I had to go into the store to get it. Where did I put it? That would be important. Is it in here? Nope. I just saw you. I just saw you. You cannot escape from me. Okay, well, I will find it. But it's this outfit from a bit that she did sort of interviewing herself, and I thought it was so cute, very fall, and the pieces were selling out rapidly. So I did my best, and we're gonna try and recreate that one together using the only of the Peggy sweaters that I could find. So it was in a little bit of a different shade, but we're gonna roll with it. Kind of want to put it on and then assess it. This is so out of my style zone, but like we're gonna try it. And then I also want Lo's opinion on these pieces. So let's try it on. Okay, so listen up. I need to explain something very quickly. I ordered the sweat, by the way, this is the outfit. I ordered this sweater in the only size left. I panicked, I saw it, it looked like it was a size up. I was like, perfect, it'll be a little oversized, which is kind of what she did. Done, put it in the cart. Turns out I went 2 sizes bigger. So I did it up in the back just so we could get a sense of the fit. That was my bad. That was my bad. So it isn't sitting the same way on me as it is on her, because again, my bad. But okay, let's assess the rest of it. So the skirt, I mean, she's cute. I kind of wish she wasn't so
high-waisted, but that's just me. In that I'm more of a fan of like a mid-rise myself. But I mean, as a separate piece, like I can't see through it. I wouldn't trust myself to, you know, bend down to grab something. But I mean, the skirt itself, like it's pleated, it's cute, very school vibes, kind of Britney Spears circa oops, I did it again kind of thing. She's cute. I wish the sweater was available in the lighter color because I think that would look better than this. It's a little too matchy. And then this shirt, I actually got in a size down from what I normally get because I went into the store to try it on, which I should have done for everything else. And it's still like a good level of oversize. It's a very standard shirt. It's a little bit more comfortable, I would say, than me wearing, I don't know, like Chris's shirt, for example. But I do have another piece, which is more of like a fun, like a date night kind of a look. So we'll try that one next. Ooh, actually, I'm gonna have Lo assess this.
Ooh, okay, I love it.
Do you?
Yeah, I actually do. Okay, first of all, if you think I didn't notice that you put your hair like her hair is, girl, I noticed.
So remember how I panicked? Because there was like 1 or 2 left?
Yeah.
Okay, so remember how I thought I got 1 size up?
Yeah.
I didn't at all.
Oh, she's a few. She's
Yeah,
a few sizes.
but this is how it should fit.
Okay, it looks so cute. Like,
It's
now
cute.
you have to wait for it to come back in the right size because it's so cute on you.
It's cute, right?
It's giving Cher. From
I'm not-
Clueless.
Oh, I was thinking the other Cher, and I was very confused.
Maybe you just leave the skirt somewhere that I can get my hands on it. It's very cute. I like it a lot.
I don't know where I'm gonna wear it, but I like it.
What I'm hearing is we need this is an outfit
we
that
need
builds to an excuse.
Yes.
Yeah.
See, this is what we need. We
Yeah.
buy the outfits, and then we have the occasion. It just makes good sense.
No, I love it. It looks great.
Shanks. Now I just have one more. Okay, and ooh, she's sassy. So sassy, right?
Okay, my immediate thought is that I really like that neckline.
The neckline looks really nice on this. However, I feel like you can see underwear through, right? And this is like
Yeah.
skin tone for me. That's unfortunate because it is like, look at it has like extra linings and stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
But it's still like, you'd have to wear, I don't know, what do you wear under that? What are those things called?
Yeah, like this shapewear. Like
You have to
this-
wear some shapewear.
Yeah, it just, I find that so hard with material like that because then you can see the shapewear lines and it's like, what did we really accomplish here? I like the lines on the front though. Like, I feel like that was very flattering. And
It's-
like, oh, it's on the back too.
Yeah.
Like, spin, yeah, cute.
It's like real cute.
And okay, when I saw that color online, I was like, but it's actually really nice on you.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
I didn't think I could pull off this shade, but
So
I really
I'm
like
looking
it.
over at where you're looking at, like looking at yourself instead of just looking at you when you look over. No, it's cute. She's
it's cute. I like the shade, or the shade. I
Mhm.
like the shape. I'm just sad that I can't wear it because you can see through it.
Yeah.
Thank you for assistance.
Of course,
Appreciate it.
of course.
Okay.
Very cute.
All right, end of day. Let's do this. I spent a large portion of today outside. It was very cold, which I don't like. I'm apparently that 1% of humans that doesn't like fall, but we kind of been all over the place. The makeup has, you know, gone through the day. So let's zoom in, take a look at the pores. What are we thinking? Like, that's aggressive. Like, nobody's looking at my face that close, except for you apparently. All right, so has my makeup not moved? I mean, it looks really good in this lighting, I'll be honest. I have like lights around my bathroom mirror, which I'm so glad I put in. I would say my makeup is still definitely on. I still say from like this distance, it still looks good. Is it as flawless as it was when it was first applied? No, but like, I don't think we should expect makeup to do that either. The one thing I will say is that you can see sort of my under eye area, that is starting to pull away, whereas I'm not noticing that as much around like my pores. Really where I concentrated that jam. So credit is where credit is due. I think it's doing the job, but I think I'm gonna experiment with a couple of different foundations and see if I can find one that I love the most. But my hair is very soft. Like, I keep feeling, I'm like, oh girl, your hair's so soft. I can see why Mikayla likes it so much. It's really nice. But let me know if there are any other influencer or content creator brands that we should try out for another video. I hope you guys are having a fantastic, fantastic week, and I will see you guys all in the next one.